If you want to create a more dramatic, professional-looking image in Photoshop, one of the easiest techniques to learn is how to use overlay blending. This is perfect for adding textures, smoke, light leaks, grunge effects, or even subtle contrast to your photo. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to overlay in Photoshop step by step, and I'll also show you how to soften the effect if it feels too strong. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and load your main background image. This is the base image that you want to enhance, so make sure it is already open on your canvas before you add anything else. Next, bring in your secondary image. This could be a texture, a smoke effect, a paper grain, a light leak, or any creative overlay image you want to blend into your design. To do this, go to File at the top of the screen, choose Place Embedded, then find your overlay file and click Place. After that, press Enter to confirm it. Photoshop will place the image on top of your background, which is exactly what you need for the overlay effect. Now take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. This is where all of your image layers are managed, and it's very important that your top image layer is selected. You should see the overlay image highlighted because the blend mode change needs to be applied to that layer, not the background layer underneath it. Once the correct layer is selected, look near the top of the Layers panel for the Blend Mode drop-down menu. By default, this will usually say Normal. Click on that menu and then scroll through the options until you find Overlay. Select Overlay and you'll immediately see the effect change on your image. The overlay layer should now blend with the background in a much more dynamic and stylized way. Depending on the image you chose, the effect may look bold, vibrant, textured, or high contrast. If the result looks too strong, don't worry, because there's an easy fix. Just look to the right of the Blend Mode menu and find the Opacity slider. Lowering the opacity will make the overlay more subtle and natural. For example, if the effect feels too intense, try reducing it to around 50% or even lower if needed, until it looks balanced. This is a great way to fine-tune the final look without losing the creative effect. And that's it. You've now learned how to overlay in Photoshop using blend modes and opacity control. This is a really simple technique, but it can make a huge difference in your edits, whether you're creating posters, thumbnails, social media graphics, or photo composites. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Photoshop effect you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.